Hello and welcome to the new episode of Nexus Podcast. So we previously did some episodes on Dhurandhar with Colonel Bhupinder Singh Shai, who was one of the consultants in the film, and it was very well received by the audience. We got to know a lot of things about what the preparation and everything goes in terms of technical aspects of the film when it comes to the realistic filling the gaps between the real and the real world. But today the story is very different. As I think I previously mentioned that we are going to do a series of interviews of the people from the film industry, not only from India but from all over the world as well. And once a story, while being in connection with a lot of people from the Dhurandhar team, was Dhruv Sharma. And through I came across his journey via Instagram, and it was very different. I, as usual, because I personally had worked briefly in the film segment when I was in India, and I always has had this surprise element and curiosity that what does a graphic designer do on the set of a film, or in the films basically. And Dhruv is a graphic designer, and one of the latest project that he worked on was Dhurandhar. He has been a part of several projects from TVF. He'll be basically providing more details onto it. But yeah, today's podcast episode is mainly focused on the journey of a graphic designer shaping what you see on screen, especially behind the visuals of Dhurandhar. But we'll be also speaking about Dhruv's journey, how he basically ended up doing what he's doing right now. And of course, there is a bit of a disclaimer that today we are going to have a mixed bag of languages. We are going to speak something in English, sometimes in even Hindi language, because the episode is primarily meant for the Indian audience. Because Dhruv's journey is from a very remote town, and I want this story to reach to the maximum number of audience. Especially there are people who are like Dhruv trying to make their way into the industry, especially from the small towns. Though 5G and the data plans have made the connectivity easier, penetrating a big short market is still harder today for the small town people. I mean, ask me and the people like Dhruv, we know it better because we
Definitely.
almost are from the same background. So yeah, so today the topic is more about the journey of an individual into the industry, the kind of work he does, and especially we are going to speak a lot about Dhurandhar as well and experience of Dhruv with his team. So without any delay, I would like to welcome on board Dhruv. Hi Dhruv, कैसे हो आप? I think you're on mute at the moment.
Oh, sorry. Hi,
Not
Omkar.
an issue,
Thank you
not
so
an
much
issue.
for inviting me over here.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
still learning.
No, no,
आदत हो गई है ना
absolutely,
कैमरा
absolutely,
के
it's okay.
पीछे इतना काम करने की। अब जब कोई बोलता है कि कैमरा के आगे आपको खड़ा होना है, तो कैसे बात
Yeah,
करनी
yeah,
है,
I,
कैसे
I,
खुद
I
को
had the
प्रेजेंट
same
करना है,
thought.
it becomes
Yes,
so
yes.
difficult. It becomes so hard. Like I remember the first day that you called me up and you said, ki, "Okay, we are planning something like this, and we should do something like this." I was so
Yeah.
happy. Ki, okay, finally somebody is putting efforts into this. Thank you so much for inviting me over here, Omka. And definitely the journey has been tough. It has been hard, but I'm really happy to be here right now. Uh, yeah.
Absolutely.
So let me know what where we are going forward with this.
एब्सोल्युटली नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली वही बताने की आपको कोशिश कर रहा था पहली बार जब हमने बात किया था कि वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ people doing interviews of possibly directors. I mean, earlier it used to be just actors. Now at least the directors, writers, producers are coming on board for the interviews. लेकिन आपका जो एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज है, graphic designer, I have never seen
Definitely.
someone speaking about this aspect in the filmmaking. I've seen people from the VFX side. I have seen people, for possibly who are the stuntmen, who help in the supporting cast as well, but not from this specific area of interest. And I believe I'm in because I am also from the media segment as well, being an entrepreneur here in France. I have met some amazing graphic designers, and
Definitely.
the thing is like
India has a lot of
after
potential, Omkar. A lot of
yes,
potential,
yes,
but it is
absolutely.
still unseen.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I was like, if these people actually enter the film industry, I think we'll be able to see a lot more than what is visible right now. So उसी वजह से मैंने सोचा कि आपको कांटेक्ट करता हूँ और we'll see how we can plan this out. So yeah, finally thank you very much for you too as well that you were
Thank
able
you,
to make the
Omkar.
time. I can understand the projects and the timeline, schedule, everything can be very tight. I had worked in my life only on a one Marathi film, and
Oh,
I saw the schedule. Yeah, it was not meant for the theater release. It was meant for a film festival, but still it was a feature film. And even in that small film, oh my goodness, I was not able to basically go here and there. I missed my whole basically college life in that period. Basically, when I was doing that film as a still photographer, so I can
right now,
understand and relate to your journey.
Omkar, every person working in the industry will relate to you
Yeah.
कि भाई अगर आप सेट पे काम कर रहे हो, आप अपना पर्सनल लाइफ भूल जाओ.
भूल जाओ.
There is
Exactly.
nothing
I
like
agree with
festival.
you.
There is nothing
Absolutely.
like family functions. There is no
Yes, yes,
get-together.
yes.
If there is work, then there is only work because there are number of people who are dependent on you. अगर एक भी डिपार्टमेंट
Yes.
कहीं से भी लैग करेगा, द ओवरऑल, क्योंकि ऑडियंस को केवल वो फ्रेम दिखती है ना, उनको ये नहीं दिखता कि व्हाट इज
Absolutely.
द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट,
पीछे
कि
क्या चल रहा
वहां
है वो
पे
किसी को
कितनी
पता ही
बजे
नहीं
हुए.
चलता.
हाँ. सो
Exactly.
वही चीज है कि एट द टाइम ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट देयर इज नथिंग एल्स, इट्स जस्ट वर्क. It's like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
I
for the
can
audience, I
understand
would like
this.
to clear up that what I actually do. I'm a graphic designer. I work in the art department, है ना. और बेसिकली एक जो भी सेट रहता है, जो भी फ्रेम आप देखते हैं, उसमें जो भी ग्राफिक्स का काम रहता है, आई डू दैट. It's my job description that I need to understand the visual, I need to understand the character, I need to understand the framing, and then
Yes.
according to that, I need to design whatever requirement is there of the set. It may
Yes.
include frames, posters, and whatever artwork there is of the product or anything else. So yeah.
Interesting. And you come from a small village in Rajasthan. और उस वक्त आपको क्या लग रहा था लाइक व्हेन यू रियलाइज दैट चलो मुझे डिजाइनिंग या ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग परस्यू करना है अभी जिंदगी में. मतलब आप
So
उस हिसाब से लेके आए थे सपना ये मुंबई में कि ओके आई एम गोना बी वर्किंग ऑन इन फिल्म्स, क्योंकि जहां तक मैंने देखा है इंटरेक्ट किया है ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स के साथ, आई होप अ लॉट ऑफ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स एम समथिंग लाइक यू बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप. व्हेन आई थिंक जनरली पीपल confuse general art and graphic design a lot. Graphic design, I feel, is a very more tactical thing as well. You have to understand the economics as well when you're working
definitely,
on certain
definitely.
things. So, working in the film industry is something. मतलब आप पहले से ही चाहते थे या ये अचानक से हुआ वैसे? Can you please tell by in detail basically how it happened?
So back in Rajasthan, I had no clue that I want to be a graphic designer until I was in 12th standard. Like I was very far away from this field. छोटे गांव में ना क्या होता है ना ओमकार की 4 से 5 फील्ड ही होती है. सब लोगों को उतनी ही
Yeah,
नॉलेज रहती है कि हाँ अगर आपने साइंस मैथ्स कर लिया है आप इंजीनियर बनेंगे, साइंस बायो कर लिया है आपने तो फिर आपको डॉक्टर
absolutely.
बनना है, बीएससी नर्सिंग करनी है. आपने अगर कॉमर्स ले लिया तो आपको सीए करना पड़ेगा, और
Yes.
आर्ट्स ले लिया तो ओके यू आर गोइंग टू बी आरजेएस आरएएस, उनकी तैयारी करोगे आप कॉम्पिटिशन एग्जाम्स की एंड ऑल दैट. अगर तुम्हारा कुछ वाइल्ड करना है, बिकम अ लॉयर, बिकम अ बैंक, गो इनटू द बैंकिंग सेक्टर और समथिंग एल्स लाइक अ बिजनेस. सो
Yes.
आर्ट जो था वो मेरे से थोड़ा दूर था, लेकिन मेरी फैमिली में उसका थोड़ा बहुत कह सकते हैं कि मम्मी के साइड से जो है हमारे को वो थोड़ा थोड़ा टैलेंट मिला है. तो माई मॉम
Okay.
वॉज शी यूज टू स्केच इन हर कॉलेज टाइम, उनके आर्ट्स था. और फिर
Nice.
मेरी जो सबसे बड़ी वाली दीदी है, शी इज एन आर्किटेक्ट. तो शी गाइडेड मी थ्रू दिस फील्ड. She recommended me कि Dhruv, what do you think about mass communication and journalism? And I was like, yeah, I have no idea what it is. I was in 12th and I still had no clue what was going on in the world around me. But then slowly and gradually I
Interesting.
started learning about it. I started reading about it, and then I was very intrigued. I was very interested कि oh, this is something where I can express myself, because कहीं ना कहीं वो
Yeah.
एक फील होता है ना कि यार I'm not able to connect with everyone. I
Yes.
have friends, I have family and everyone, but still there was something missing. Some connection is missing that you're not able to find out.
Yes.
And then when I was in college, I got connected with that thing, and I really felt a true calling from the art. Ki, okay, this is something that I want to do. And I started learning graphic designing when I was in second year during my internships period. And slowly and gradually, I built my portfolio in this thing. And yeah, I landed in TVF, where I did my very first project, Hostel Day Season 4.
इंटरेस्टिंग वी आर गोइंग टू गो इनटू दैट। मुझे उसके बारे में बात करनी है, टीवीएफ की भी आपकी एक अलग जर्नी रहेगी। आई थिंक
Yeah,
हॉस्टल डेज आई थिंक यू मेंशनड, राइट? हॉस्टल
yeah,
डेज के
hostel
बारे में
days.
थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
बता सकते हैं आप? बिकॉज आई विल टेल यू व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन। I personally have been fan of Amrish Verma and his writing. मुझे
Oh,
अभी तक पता है, I think I still remember that day Amrish in his interview mentioned that कि पहला एपिसोड हमने जब अपलोड किया था सपने वर्सेस एवरीवन का, it had just 4 views. It was more than an hour. A lot of people were saying कि ये क्या बनाया है, क्यों बनाया ये? एंड ट्रस्ट मी, पॉसिबली आई वॉज द पर्सन इन दैट फर्स्ट 10 views, क्योंकि मैंने तब वो सीरीज का पहला एपिसोड देखा था बस, एंड इट जस्ट हुक्ड मी एंड आई वॉज जस्ट वेटिंग टू सी कि बाकी एपिसोड्स कब आ रहे हैं। एंड आई थिंक आई हैव बीन द फॉलोअर ऑफ हिम सिंस हॉस्टल डेज। आई थिंक वो हॉस्टल डेज में जहाँ पर वो आई थिंक समोसे की चटनी का सीन है उसका, वेर
I
ही
guess so. I
पॉसिबली
don't remember.
आस्क
I
यू,
remember it very vaguely right
आई
now
थिंक,
because it was
yeah.
3 years back. But yeah, definitely
Yeah. I
take
think
TVF
yes,
is a
yes.
crazy place. Like if I tell you, मेरा
Yeah,
college खत्म हो गया था and I was back in Jaipur. I was
yeah,
preparing for CAT because college खत्म हो गया. I started applying for all the jobs and everything, and there was
yeah.
reward from very few places, and I was like, oh my god, अब क्या करना है, अब आगे क्या करें? And like every other individual, I decided to do CAT. I started preparing for that MBA. I gave my exam of CAT, and I remember I have a very good friend Arush bhai. So he called me up the second day of the exam. मतलब exam दिया मैंने, उसके 2 दिन बाद मेरे को कॉल आया आरुष भाई से, and Arush bhai said
Yeah.
कि Dhruv, there is an opportunity for a graphic designer in TVF. Would you like to do that? And I was a very big, huge fan of TVF because college time में मैंने कोटा फैक्ट्री देखा था. You won't believe I used to make fan
Yes.
art for TVF. मैंने उनके कोटा
Oh,
फैक्ट्री सीजन 2 और 3 का 2 और 1 का जो है ना फैन आर्ट पोस्टर्स वगैरह बनाता था, कैरिकेचर्स बनाता था, ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ टीवीएफ एंड एवरीथिंग. And I used to
nice.
upload it on Instagram and everything. And from there, he got in connection with me. He used to see my work and he used to show his friends कि oh see, there's this guy Dhruv, ये ऐसा ऐसा artwork बनाता है, caricatures बनाता है. And he was working in TVF at that time. So I said, yeah,
Interesting.
sure, definitely. And I got a call from Abhimanyu Jay. He's a production designer at TVF. So he called me up and he said me कि ऐसा ऐसा एक project है and we are looking for a graphic designer in art department. मैंने बोला कि सर करना क्या होता है? Because I was very new to that field. I knew the
Yeah.
tools, I had the skills, but the field was very new to me. तो सर ने बोला कि
Absolutely.
कुछ नहीं, ऐसा posters, banners बनाना होता है and all that. And by that time I used to work in social media. So
Yeah.
I know कि poster and carousels and all that I used to get 3 days to make one artwork. ऐसा सब चल
Yeah.
रहा था. And when I like फिर अभिमन्यु सर से बात हुआ, अभिमन्यु सर ने बोला कि I am giving you an assignment, get that done and we will see how things go forward. So I did the assignment and then very next day I still have the screenshot for that thing कि मैंने assignment submit किया, उसके नीचे सर का मैसेज आया, pack your bags, you are coming to Mumbai. And I was so happy that oh my god, I'm gonna work in TVF. So I called up my sisters and I was like कि सुनो ऐसा सर का फोन आया था, मैसेज आया था, I did this thing, assignment complete किया
Yeah.
है and they are calling me Mumbai. बोले कब जाना है? मैंने बोला कल. And they were like कि joining कब से है? मैंने बोला परसों. बोले इतना जल्दी कैसे होगा? तू एक काम कर, तू पहले घर आ. And then I took the train, I got back home. और रास्ते में दीदियों से
Nice.
बात करता जा रहा हूँ, how will we explain this to father, how will we like
Yeah.
कैसे मनाएंगे उनको, because coming
Yeah.
from a very small village going to Mumbai was a very big deal
Yes.
because it is like third world for us कि अभी इतने छोटे से गांव में आप वहां कैसे जाओगे,
That
कोई
is
आपका
true.
रहने का कुछ पता नहीं है, आपके खाने का कुछ पता
Yes.
नहीं है, आपको जाना कैसे आपको वो नहीं पता है, और कहाँ जाना है ये भी नहीं पता है. तो और वहां पे कोई
Yeah.
रिलेटिव्स वगैरह भी नहीं, तो माय फादर वाज लिटिल वरीड अबाउट दैट थिंग कि घर आए हम लोग, वी वर सिटिंग, इट वाज अराउंड 6 o'clock इन द इवनिंग एंड माय फादर आस्क्ड मी व्हाट हैपेंड. आई वाज लाइक कि ऐसा ऐसा मेरा प्रोजेक्ट था और मैंने ऐसा ऐसा किया है बात और मेरे को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है
Yeah.
मुंबई जाने का. पापा वाज लिटिल वरीड कि मुंबई जाना है. मैंने बोला हाँ. बोले कि क्या है वहाँ पे, करना क्या है वहाँ पे जाके, क्या करेगा. मतलब पापा ऐसा ग्राफिक्स का होता है. एंड देन माय सिस्टर केम इन एंड शी वाज लाइक कि आपने वो ऐड देखा पंचायत का, वो आता है टीवी पे, हाँ वो जीतू भैया वो सब, हाँ तो ही इज गोना वर्क विद देम. एंड देन माय फादर वाज लिटिल लाइक ओ ओके फाइन ओके. And then I
Yeah.
packed my bags and so my another story out of this. मेरा वो
Yes.
जो स्क्रीनशॉट था, आई सेंट इट टू माय सिस्टर्स कि देखो ऐसा मैसेज आया, पैक योर बैग्स एंड ऑल दैट, एंड दे पुट इट ऑन देयर स्टोरी, and then I reposted it. So I was getting congratulations and all these messages. Like I remember that day, I got more wishes than my birthday. Oh my God, this is such a big deal for people around me.
Yes, yes, yes,
And I
yes.
finally cracked it. I was so happy. So one of my friend, Hardik Pratap Singh Rathod, he was junior to me in my school time, and he's a very good friend of mine. He called me up and he said कि अच्छा आप आ रहे हो? मैंने बोला हाँ. तो कैसे आ रहे हो? मैंने बोला अभी ट्रेन की टिकट करवा रहा हूँ और तत्काल में अभी निकलवा के, एंड आई विल कैच अ ट्रेन बाय टुमारो और डे आफ्टर टुमारो. बोले कि अच्छा टेंशन मत लो, मैं आपको लेने आ जाऊंगा स्टेशन पे. आई वाज लाइक हाश, सो रिलीव्ड. एंड देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ही आस्क्ड वाज कहाँ रुकने वाले हो? मैंने बोला यार अभी पता नहीं है, वहां आऊंगा एंड देन आई विल फाइंड अ प्लेस फॉर माय सेल्फ एंड ऑल दैट. एंड ही वाज लाइक आप टेंशन मत लो, आप मेरे यहाँ पे आ जाना. So I don't know
Nice.
how these things happened. I got a job, I got a place to live, like I got everything within a day. And how this happened was a miracle for me. I was so happy at that time. So finally, I came here. I started working, and I got a very quick reality check as well.
Nice.
The first day, I was asked to make some posters and design some standees and all that. And after 2 days, sir asked me that तुम्हारा काम हो गया? मैंने बोला कि हाँ सर, अभी 2 posters मैंने डिजाइन कर लिए. बोले दो, you have to design 30. And I was like कि हाँ. बोले कि yeah, you have to be very quick on your feet. And then he taught me everything. He literally sat next to me and he taught me how to
Yeah.
name the files, how to create those perspectives, like how to create those visuals where you are required to create 30-40 posters in a day.
Yeah.
Because social media में काम ना थोड़ा slow रहता है. You get the time to like
Yes.
design the whole aesthetic and go through that couple of times. It will go to the client, it will come back
Yes.
with a revert, you will again work on it. But here you have to be very quick because there are number of graphics within a project. I need to design around 150 to 120 designs
Yes.
approx minimum. कोई भी छोटा वेब सीरीज हो गया,
Yes.
you have to design 150 to 120 designs within a span time of 1 month or something like that. So it was
Absolutely.
so difficult कि कभी कभार एकदम से like you अगले दिन आपका सेटअप लगने वाला है एंड देयर आर कपल ऑफ रिविजन्स इनटू दैट, लोकेशन चेंज हो जाता है कभी कभार एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड देन यू हैव टू रीवर्क ऑन व्हाटएवर आर्टवर्क्स यू हैव क्रिएटेड. सो ही सेट नेक्स्ट टू मी एंड ही एक्सप्लेन्ड मी व्हाट टू. और फिर मीडियम भी सबका अलग अलग रहता है कि देयर आर सम डिजाइंस व्हिच आर गोइंग टू बी प्रिंटेड ऑन फ्लेक्स, सम आर गोइंग टू बी प्रिंटेड ऑन विनाइल, सम आर गोइंग टू बी प्रिंटेड ऑन सनबोर्ड, एंड दीस टर्म्स वर लिटरली वेरी न्यू टू मी because I never worked on those mediums. कि print media में कैसे काम होता है, I had no clue. So he
Okay.
taught me everything. So he was my very first mentor in TVF. So that's how my
Nice.
journey got started. And after that, there was no looking back.
इंटरेस्टिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. ये सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा. I'd like to say that one thing कि आपने बताया
Yeah.
कि एक के पीछे एक चीज़ें होने लगी. I got a job. Then I got an opportunity to basically connect with my old friends, and he also basically helped you.
Yeah.
क्या
Because
जब होना
basically
होता है
at
तब
that
हो
time
ही
I was
जाता है.
so frustrated because out of the college, many people will relate to me. When once you
Yeah.
are out of the college, there are very few opportunities for you. And like आप अप्लाई करते हो, आप टाइम देखते हो, एंड देन रिजेक्शन आफ्टर रिजेक्शन आफ्टर रिजेक्शन, यू फील लाइक समथिंग इज रॉन्ग इन मी. मैं कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ, मैं शायद ढंग से मैंने रेज्यूमे नहीं बनाया, शायद मेरा पोर्टफोलियो गलत है, या फिर द जॉब दैट आई एम अप्लाइंग फॉर मे बी आई एम नॉट केपेबल इनफ फॉर दैट जॉब. बट यू डू नॉट सी कि भाई आप कंपटीशन देखो कि आपके साथ 50 जन और रेज्यूमे डाल रहे हैं, and 60 people more are applying for the same particular thing with the same qualification, and the number is of game the game is of numbers. आपसे
Numbers.
1%
Yeah.
ज्यादा कोई अगर अच्छा है, then definitely the company is gonna hire him or her. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट
Absolutely.
कैट खत्म हो गया था, तो अब जो मैं एक एग्जाम का, वो कंपटीशन एग्जाम्स का लेके चल रहा था कि ओके आई विल डू माय मास्टर्स इन एमबीए, वो भी खत्म हो गया. आई स्टिल हैड सो मच ऑफ स्पेयर टाइम. और बोलते हैं ना खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर. इट वाज हैपनिंग विद मी. आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि ओ अब क्या करना है. आई वाज वर्किंग ऑन ग्राफिक्स मीनवाइल. I was practicing my skills. I was doing new tasks every day. I was taking personal challenges. Okay, I also took a challenge of creating 30 caricatures in 30 days. So every day I used to get up and create a caricature and then sleep again. This was my whole entire day.
या नहीं, जब क्या है कि सब कभी कभार है ना, वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड विथ एवरीथिंग, वी आर ऑल गेयर्ड अप, लेकिन दैट वन मोमेंट, दैट वन अपॉर्चुनिटी, आई थिंक सम ऑफ माई मेंटर्स हैड मेंशन टू मी, right opportunity and hard work, when they meet each other, that's when the magic happens. A lot
Very
of
true.
times I have seen people in and around me also that they are completely fully geared up. It's just that the right opportunity, the right timing is not there yet. And I think once that comes in, nothing can stop. I mean, like,
Very
कोई
true.
आपके हिस्से का नहीं ले सकता उसके बाद. No one can take it away from you,
बिल्कुल
for
सही.
sure. You are the complete owner of that opportunity. So
Definitely,
that's
definitely
that's
own
great
that.
to know. Yeah. And you know, proceeding ahead, मुझे आपसे ये पहले से ही पूछना था बेसिकली कि ये तो मतलब काफ़ी अभी करंट ये रनिंग क्वेश्चन है हर जगह कि एक्चुअली टू क्वेश्चंस इंटरट्वाइंड कि व्हाट does a graphic designer actually control inside a film that the audience doesn't even realize in real time. और उसके बाद कि अभी जो एआई का बूम चल रहा है, do you think it's affecting the industry or your kind of work in any way, or is it making the process more efficient in any way, or it's not adding any value, either of it basically? You can tell me.
No, I definitely will say that AI is like making a huge impact in industry, and for me, I will say it is a positive impact because these are tools that you need to learn. आज की कोई
Yes.
नई फील्ड है जो आज चालू हुई है. Designing has been
Yes.
there from last past 200 years or something like that. एंड एडोब भी बाद में आया था, सॉफ्टवेयर भी बाद में बने. स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली डिजाइनर्स ने उनको इनकॉर्पोरेट करा अपने आर्टवर्क में. डिजिटल आर्टवर्क एक नया फील्ड चालू हुआ. एआई
Yes.
प्रॉम्प्टिंग वाज समथिंग न्यू व्हिच वाज स्टार्टिंग, एंड अभी तो मेरे ख्याल से वो भी धीरे धीरे इट्स लाइक फॉलिंग बैक. सो यू नीड टू लर्न न्यू स्टफ. अगर आपको आगे बढ़ना है, इफ यू वांट टू बी देयर इन द कंपटीशन, यू नीड टू लर्न दैम एंड डेफिनेटली यूज योर क्रिएटिविटी इन दैट. आप अगर उस पर
Yes.
डिपेंडेंट हो कि हाँ, अगर आपको डिजाइनिंग के लिए हायर किया, यू आर डिजाइनिंग द एंटायर थिंग फ्रॉम द चैट जीपीटी एंड लाइक ओके हो गया मेरा. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं काम करेगा. आपको अगर एस्थेटिक समझ में आ रहा है, यू नो व्हाट यू नीड चैट जीपीटी फॉर, यू नो व्हाट यू नीड जेमिनाई फॉर, कि
Yes.
what is the difference between Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, how are they working differently, what are the prompts that has been used, so it helps you. And definitely a graphic designer contributes a lot in the set, in the film. आप ये सोचिए ना कि कोई भी घर का सेटअप है फॉर एग्जांपल, है ना ओमकार.
Yeah.
तो घर में आप जो आर्टवर्क देखें, घर कैसे बनता है, मेमोरी से बनता है, यादों से बनता है, उन कैरेक्टर से बनता है.
Absolutely.
एंड वन ऑफ द मेजर थिंग इज फ्रेम्स. अगर आपकी फ्रेम्स खाली है या फिर इट्स जस्ट पेंटिंग्स एंड ऑल दैट, इट विल लुक लाइक अ कॉर्पोरेट प्लेस, इट विल नॉट लुक लाइक अ हाउस, it will
That
look
is
like a
true.
rental place. There are no frames, family photos in a hotel room, right? वो
Yes.
होटल रूम और घर कैसे अलग होता है, वो बस फैमिली फोटो डाल दो आप हल्की सी, वो आपका पूरा. और उस फैमिली फोटो के अंदर यू हैव टू लाइक कंप्लीटली शो व्हाट इज द आर्क ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, कि उनकी एथिक्स
True.
क्या है, उनके ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यूज क्या है ना. उनका कंफर्ट जोन क्या है, what type of family it is it middle class, it is upper class, what type is it,
Yeah.
very poor. You show everything using those graphics. घर के एलिमेंट्स जो हैं, छोटे छोटे एलिमेंट्स जो हैं, these depicts a lot. और अगर आप ग्राफिक्स निकाल दोगे, डिटेलिंग इज आउट ऑफ द मूवी, देन इट्स जस्ट रॉ फ्रेम्स where
Yeah.
your characters are moving, where dialogues are there, where feel is there, but वो जो detailing का जो काम. And that is why I sometimes feel कि graphics is something that only very less production designs places can afford, because it is
Yes.
बहुत minute and detailing का काम. अगर डिटेलिंग डालनी है आपको, अगर चीज़ों को और अच्छा बनाना है, धुरंधर वाज धुरंधर व्हाई, बिकॉज इट वाज a lot of detailing that was incorporated in the set design.
I'm coming to that part.
Yeah. Sorry, I have that on the top of my mind because it was one of my recent projects.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. I'm
yeah.
coming to that part. Yeah. So
And
yeah.
definitely talking about AI, so I use
Yes.
it on a daily basis, and I like to use it. Why? Because जो पहले मैं काम करने में 4 घंटे लगाता था, now I have that spare 4 hours to put something else in that
Yeah.
time. मैं और दूसरे डिजाइन पे और अच्छे से काम कर पाता हूँ, बिकॉज फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज वन थिंग एज फोटो मॉर्फिंग. आज के दिन में आपका फोटो और मेरा फोटो यूज करके आई कैन क्रिएट 30 मोर इमेजेस विद इन 10 to 15 minutes,
Yes.
है ना, यूजिंग सम प्रॉम्प्ट्स की ओके यू बोथ आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन अ बीच, यू आर स्टैंडिंग इन अ फॉरेस्ट और व्हाटएवर एक्सवाइजेड. सो अब वो मेरे पास जो फोटो मॉर्फिंग, पहले एक एक चेहरे को कट करके उसको धीरे धीरे क्रॉप करके कलर करेक्शन करके एंड लाइक मेंटेनिंग एवरीथिंग इन द फ्रेम एंड ऑल दैट, तो वो अब मेरे को टाइम मिल जाता है वेयर आई कैन पुट टाइम इन डिजाइनिंग अ लोगो, अ पैम्पलेट और एनीथिंग व्हाटएवर इज क्रिटिकली नीडेड
Yes.
फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट. सो या.
Interesting. Interesting. And out of all the designers out there, how did you land Dhurandhar? Was it one opportunity, one person, or one piece of work that changed everything? मुझे पता है आपने मुझे आई थिंक फोन पे ब्रीफली बताया था कि किसी ने तो आपका सीवी देखा वहां पर, मे बी जियो
Yeah.
स्टूडियोज और कहीं कहीं पर, एंड यू वर स्पॉटेड एंड यू गॉट द कॉल, एंड दैट्स इट। आई मीन that
Yeah.
was
So
that was one opportunity of a lifetime, I would say, to work on one
thanks
work
to
on
that
a
one
espionage
call.
films. Yeah, one of the top-notch espionage films that has changed the face. I mean, I would say I'm a big fan of spy thriller and films because I work in this sector as well in real time, so I can relate to it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, you told me
I
on over the call, and let the
yeah,
audience know more about it. Omkar, I'm
yeah, yeah,
very
yeah,
sure
yeah.
that everybody will be interested in this thing.
Yes, 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 absolutely. And I was like, the one thing what Durandar did right was it it showed the reality as it is in terms of narrative. Hindi, Chindi, Pakistan, India do not go well when it comes to the real time, and that's what it just tried to showcase. It didn't hit any religion. It didn't hit any kind of patriotic songs. There was not a single patriotic song. मेरे देश के, मेरे वतन के, there was not a single word on that, and the film caught the hearts of the whole world, possibly. People here in France when it released. By the way, just to let you know, I'm staying in Strasbourg, which is a town of max to max 10 kilometers. Okay, 10 kilometers town, and not more than, I don't think so, more than 7 lakh or 8 lakh people will be residing here. Here, this is the first Indian film to run for 1 week completely. And here, generally, Indian films, the Hindi films, come here for only 2 shows, and that too for one day, because population is very less and Indians are even lesser. What you find, the amount of Indians that you see in US, उसको यहाँ मतलब US में अगर 100 इंडियंस है तो फ्रांस में 5 ही है। ये इतना डिफरेंस है। तो आप समझ लो कि उस हिसाब से मतलब कितने इंडियंस रहेंगे यहाँ, ये गांव जैसे। क्योंकि पेरिस में तो एटलीस्ट
बिल्कुल।
बहुत सारे इंडियंस है, थोड़े बहुत तो है, मतलब
हम्म।
स्टडी के लिए वगैरह आते हैं। हियर देयर नो इंडियंस, बट आई सॉ दैट काफ़ी सारे फ्रेंच थे मेरे साथ जो बैठे हुए थे थिएटर में। थिएटर वॉज फुल फॉर ऑल 7 days, and I think
Feels so
that's the
great
beauty of the
listening
film.
like something that I have worked in, and when I hear something like this, I remember there was a whole craze about Dhurandhar. अभी थोड़ा कम हुआ है इंडिया में, but
Yeah,
that whole month, I will say you, the release date and everything happening after that.
yeah,
Oh my God! Everywhere, like I used to get up and I used to hear the songs from Dhurandhar. I used to get into the like my auto or anything, and I used to hear reels from
yeah,
Dhurandhar. And then after reaching at the workspace, somebody is there who's like watching reels or doing something on Instagram or
yeah,
something,
yeah,
and
yeah.
there is Dhurandhar.
Yes,
It
yes, yes,
was,
absolutely. It was the same here as well.
yeah, it was
Whenever
crazy.
I
It was
saw, I
crazy.
mean, even I think the president and the prime minister of some of the countries, even like from Finland, also delegation came. They were also actually speaking about it. You know,
Yeah.
I think the son of that politician from Finland, he told his father to watch it, and he watched it, and then he came for some summit here
Oh
to
wow.
meet Prime Minister Modi. And the first thing that he said to ANI in an interview was that he watched Dhurandhar and he
Oh,
yeah, yeah, yeah. So it went a lot viral. I shared on my LinkedIn as well about that. I think
that's
it was the
so great.
president of Finland, if I'm
Oh.
not wrong, actually. So who said that? So yeah, coming back to the question, tell me like how things happened basically. Like like how were you spotted?
Okay.
Tell us about that.
Okay, so यार धुरंधर was not धुरंधर before release. Okay, so जब मेरे पास ये प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कॉल आया था, I recently I completed Kota Factory season 3, I remember, and after that I was back at my home, and I started applying for new projects, started sending my portfolio and resume to different production designers, and somehow somewhere it landed with the team of Dhurandhar. And one fine evening, I got a call from Uma. So Uma is associate art director, if I'm not wrong with her title. So yeah, Uma was the one who called me, and she asked me, "Ki, Dhruv, there is this project, and would you like to join? It is requiring your service for 1 month, and you can come to Mumbai for a meeting. Then we can get started on this." I was like, "Okay, fine, well."
Nice.
Or at that time, I got some other calls as well. सो आई थॉट ओके होगा यार, देखते हैं, जाऊंगा मैं वहाँ पे, आराम से बात करेंगे क्या प्रोजेक्ट होगा, कैसा होगा. एंड एक महीने का आई वाज नॉट थिंकिंग इट विल बी धुरंधर. ओके. सो आई रीच्ड ऑफिस, B62 के ऑफिस में पहुंचा.
Yeah.
एंड at that day it was Saturday or something like that,
Hmm.
and the entire team was on leave.
Oh
And
my
I was the
goodness.
only one who was in the office, and I felt कि यार ये क्या, मतलब कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. I was little anxious because this was the very first long format project that I was doing. I did many web series before this with TVF,
Yeah.
but I did not do a movie. So I was very excited for doing a movie, and then I was given the script to read. कि आप script read कर लीजिए how it is, and then let us know. So I started reading the script, and it was so interesting that I could not stand from my seat for 8 hours. I sat like continuously for 8 hours over there, and I started reading the script, and I was not able to complete the script. 8 घंटे में बैठा, and then I got up and I went back home. I called Uma and I was like कि okay, मैंने आज थोड़ा script read किया, थोड़ा बचा है, I'll read it by tomorrow, and we'll let you know. It seems promising, so I'm very interested in doing this project. उन्होंने बोला फाइन, कल पूरी टीम आएगी ऑफिस, एक बार आप आ जाओ, एंड देन वी विल सी हाउ थिंग्स गो फॉरवर्ड. सो आई रीच्ड अगेन ऑफिस, एंड मैंने रीडिंग वगैरह कंप्लीट करा, एंड देन आई वाज मीटिंग विद I had this meeting with Uma and Z and other team members जिन लोगों से मैंने बात किया, and I got to know there are other graphic designers on this project as well. So I got to know the scale of the project slowly and gradually कि okay, this is how we are planning things. हम लोग अभी बैंकॉक जाने वाले हैं, so there is a need to complete all the graphics beforehand ताकि हम जितना भी artwork है यहाँ से वहाँ लेके जा सकें. And so you are hired as an additional graphic designer. So I was like, okay, fine, no issues. मैं एक महीना मेरा काम करूँगा, and then I'll be out of the project. It was something like that. So
Nice.
okay, then we started working, and things just started piling up back to back because I had no idea that this is the scale that I'm working on. This was the very first time that I was working on such a huge scale. We were setting up like 300 shops in Bangkok. वहाँ पे पूरा लारी का सेटअप हम लोग लगा रहे थे, मार्केट सेटअप एंड एवरीथिंग.
Okay, so you
So
one
we
month
were
you were in
designing.
Bangkok for the complete
Yeah, the
shooting.
entire team was going
Okay.
Bangkok for the
Okay.
whole setup and everything. The PD
Okay.
was already there with some of the team members. So
All
we were
right.
coordinating via calls and all that, via Zoom meetings and all those things. We were doing those things.
And how long
So
was the complete shoot? Like for yours, it was 1 month, but total,
yeah, so it
how many days?
lasted for 1.5 years. So 1 month, 1 year and 6 months, around something like that.
Wow, that's a huge
Sorry.
timeline. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how long the shoot was, and then editing period included and PR and everything. So around approx 2 years ये project चालू हुआ, and then it was released. So yeah, coming back to that, फिर हम लोगों ने काम चालू किया, and we designed all the shop boards and everything. And once the entire team was there, so I was still asked to like work from home. मेरा थोड़ा time तक उन्होंने बोला कि okay, we will continue for a while, and then we will see how things go forward. Hello, am I audible?
Interesting. 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 Yeah. 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 I could
Yeah,
hear you. I
then
could hear you.
after
Yeah.
that, that entire team came back, and I was part of the core team, and I continued the project for another year. करके. And then after that, I had some medical issues, some health issues. So after that, I had to leave just before the Leh Ladakh, जो उनका पूरा वहाँ का schedule था, उससे
Ladakh का
पहले आया
shooting.
था.
Okay, Ladakh में
Ladakh का
नहीं थे
shoot.
तुम. I think in Ladakh, I think
Yeah.
they faced uh, some some
हाँ,
difficulties.
वहाँ
I
पे
think due to
थोड़ा
the
सा
food
इशू हो
poisoning.
गया था,
Actually, yeah,
फूड पॉइजनिंग का थोड़ा
yeah.
इशू हो गया था.
Yes, yes,
So
yes. Yeah, yeah.
my friend was congratulating me कि भाई बहुत सही डिसीजन लिया सही टाइम पे. Because they were all stuck over there, and they were on the call, and they were like कि भाई क्या करें, यहाँ से ना बाहर जा सकते हैं, मौसम भी बहुत ऐसा खराब हो रखा था. It was raining continuously for a while over there.
Yeah, yeah.
और फिर वहाँ पे पूरे
Ladakh is
सेट
not
ऐसा
a
ओपन में.
cup of tea of everyone.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have
yeah,
been,
definitely.
I think I was in Ladakh right before I think the shooting
Oh,
started of Dhurandhar, and I was also completely gone out. क्योंकि क्या है ना कि हमें लगता है कि okay, my appetite and my body is really good, is bulked up, I
yeah,
can sustain in Ladakh. But the problem is like it depends on each person's metabolism, internal metabolism as well. वो
true,
ऑक्सीजन
true.
लेवल जो ऊपर जाके ड्रॉप होती है ना, आई फेल सिक, आई वॉज सिक फॉर ऑल, I think the days that I was in Ladakh at that time. I was absolutely sick. I couldn't enjoy things at all the way I wanted to. I used to get fever, high fever because of the low oxygen. You know, the oxygen level used to drop. So I think it's. I mean, like it's not everyone's cup of tea. So I feel even not. I mean,
Definitely,
like
I
food
will say
poisoning might be
kudos
a
to
thing.
the entire art
Yeah, yeah,
department who was standing there in such like atrocities. They were there on the set morning five
yeah,
o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock. They used to go on the set. They used to stand there and get the work completed, and after that they used to come back and then again get ready for the next day, those meetings and everything, and
interesting.
it was like amazing. I remember them telling the stories कि किस तरीके से भाई हम सेटअप करके जाते थे, फिर रात को there used to be wind or something like that. Sometimes setups used to fall, then they used to come back, they used to recreate those things. Sometimes they created the whole thing and then there was some changes from the DOP or direction and then those changes were made. So yeah, kudos to the
Interesting.
team.
इसी क्वेश्चन को एक फॉलोअप की तरीके से मैं आगे आपको पूछना चाहता हूँ और धुरंधर के बारे में.
Definitely.
Now take us inside Dhurandhar. Like, what's that one design you worked on that people saw possibly have no idea how much you thought iterated or went through a pressure to basically bring that on screen?
सो धुरंधर के ग्राफिक्स की बात करें तो देखो डिटेलिंग का काम भी बहुत सारा था और ग्राफिक्स का काम भी बहुत सारा था. ये एक सिंगल पर्सन का टास्क था ही नहीं. सो देयर वर कपल ऑफ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स इन द टीम. देयर वाज शालिनी who was handling all the action graphics. There was Firoz Bhai who was handling all the Urdu in the graphics, and then there was me who was majorly like working on background graphics and aesthetic of the project. And there was also Rohan for a short while. There was Zindagi, an intern who was helping in graphics. So and then after later on when I left the project, there was Devya and Yash who were handling the graphics. Over a period of time, ये सब designers ने अलग अलग time पे काम किया. Rohan bhai was there who initially designed all the shop boards and everything, है ना. He helped in designing all those things. Shalini, as I said earlier, she was handling all the action graphics. So all the passports, photographs that you see, which has a close up, those are all designed by
Okay.
Shalini. Then I was handling all the background graphics. तो जैसे आप political rally वगैरह उसके अंदर या फिर currency जितना भी हो गया, all those things were
Okay.
designed by me. And then
नोट
there
वाले
was
इंसान हो आप, करेंसी
हाँ,
गाय. नोट
sorry.
वाले इंसान हो आप, करेंसी गाय.
हाँ वही
that
बोलते
that was
थे.
one that was on batshit crazy sequence हाँ, जब वो जला देता है पूरा.
Yeah, so I was coming to that only. Actually, the
Yeah.
currency thing that I designed was something that I felt so, like so close to me, and I felt ki, okay, this was something that was something different because currency was something that I did not design earlier. This was the very first time that I designed currency for 3 different countries. I designed Pakistani notes, I designed Indian notes, and I also designed dollars. So all these were different process. अगर आप पाकिस्तानी नोट्स की उनका जो कलर सेचुरेशन था उनका बहुत अलग था. देयर वाज मिक्स ऑफ मेजेंटा, सियान, एंड उनका एक इवन टोन मैच करना इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इंडियन करेंसी की तो इंडियन करेंसी कैन वी वर डिजाइनिंग ओल्ड नोट्स ऑफ 1500, दैट येलो एंड दैट पेपर टेक्सचर एंड एवरीथिंग. उसकी बनाना ना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था बिकॉज precise thickness of the note and everything. And if you see the setup, जो पूरा गोडाउन वगैरह हम लोगों ने बनाया था, जिसके अंदर सारे करेंसीज रख रखी थी, जो फेक नोट्स प्रिंट हो, that setup had like different aspects के लिए. तो हम लोगों ने करेंसी के बंडल्स, there was one bundle of 100 notes, then we designed a box, small box, which was like 1 crore or 2 crore, something like that. And then we had some big boxes which were helpful in the setup, and then there was entire like a mountain setup पर हम लोगों ने फिर उनका placement रख के and the entire thing was designed. So there, that was there. And then after that और किस चीज़ के बारे में डिज़ाइनिंग की बात करें तो करेंसी हो गया, ये हो गया. या प्रीटी मच या. एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी अगर आपको बताऊं तो, सो बिकॉज इट वाज सच अ ह्यूज प्रोजेक्ट, तो एक साथ हमारे मल्टीपल सेटअप चलते थे. We were designing multiple
Okay.
sets, we were working on multiple sets, and the entire team was divided accordingly. So if I am working on one set, then Shalini is handling some other set, and then Firoz bhai is handling some other set. So we were like divided in that thing, and we used to coordinate over calls and everything कि ये design आपने भेजा, वो उधर गया, ये इधर गया. And we were working with this print shop VFlex. So for the entire year, I am so sorry for the designers who are working in VFlex. I am very helpful and very thankful to them they used to sit 24/7 with us over the call and everything. They used to get entire thing printed and delivered at the sets. जब हम लोग रात को 1 बजे भी okay, these things need to be printed, and it's not something small. Like I'm talking about 200 feet of flex to be printed in just one single night. ऐसे 4 रोल हम 20 फीट 40 60 फीट का हम लोग एक एक बैनर बना. तो अगर आपने पॉलिटिकल रैली अगर देखा है, वो जहाँ पर डायलॉग है ना, अस्सलाम वालेकुम लियारी.
अक्षय
तो
खन्ना का, यस
तो
यस.
वो जो पॉलिटिकल सेटअप आप देख रहे हो ना, तो वो 3 सेटअप है पूरी मूवी के अंदर, एंड दैट एंटायर थिंग वाज शॉट इन वन सिंगल डे. वी हैड 3 चेंज ओवर्स दैट वी डिड इन कपल ऑफ आवर्स. लाइक हम लोगों ने एक सेटअप लगाया एंड देन द शूट वाज डन फॉर दैट थिंग. फिर वी गॉट 1 hour और 2 hours फॉर चेंज ओवर. फिर हम लोगों ने पूरा सेट चेंज किया. द अनदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वाज शॉट, their rally was shot, and then after that we got another 2 hours. We changed the entire setup, and then again it was another political rally जिसमें last में Ranveer Singh and everyone is there on the set. So yeah,
I
this
think
was something like, you know, it was pulled off so hard. It was, how do I say you, there were so many banners, the entire
you ran out of
boundary.
words.
I'm out of words because अब मैं याद करता हूँ ना, तो it feels impossible to be done. At that time, there was Hardik bhai, Rohan, and everyone. It is like, you know, once in a lifetime thing. ऐसा सब memories लगता है, but at that time it was so difficult to pull off. I feel overwhelmed right now remembering all those things. कि क्या हम लोग करते थे रात को 12 1 बजे, पूरा सुनसान, पूरा ग्राउंड खाली है. इट्स जस्ट कपल ऑफ पीपल हु आर स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर एंड वी आर जस्ट प्लानिंग इन आवर माइंड कि अच्छा कल ऐसे करना है, कल यहाँ पे ऐसा होगा, इधर से यू टेक 20 पीपल ओवर दिस साइड, यू टेक 30 पीपल ओवर दिस साइड, इधर से हम ऐसा करेंगे एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या, इट वाज क्रेजी.
So you gave the audience the answer of कि इतने पैसे धुरंधर ने कैसे बनाए. So that's the reason it made it. इतनी अगर डिटेलिंग, yeah, इतनी, it's not only about the blood and sweat, but that blood and sweat getting the right direction of minute detailing. I think that is something that has exploded
on this point now. On this point, Omkar, I would like to thank all the art boys who are working in this industry. I'm very keen to like say कि हम कुछ भी चीज़ नहीं कर सकते अगर आर्ट बॉयज नहीं हमारे साथ. तो लाइक द एंटायर टीम, आप असिस्टेंट्स की बात कर लो, आप प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनर की बात कर लो, आप डीओपी की बात कर लो, आप डायरेक्टर की बात कर लो, बट द बॉयज हु आर वर्किंग बिहाइंड दोज थिंग्स, आई टेल यू, जो सुबह 9 बजे का कॉल टाइम होता है, दे हैव टू रीच बाय 8 o'clock. जो 9 बजे का पैकअप टाइम होता है, दे लीव बाय 10. एवरीबडी एल्स वर्क फॉर 12 hours, they work for 14 hours.
14 hours,
एंड या, और वो काम करते टाइम ना, आई लेजिट धुरंधर के टाइम पे ना, द टीम वाज सो इनटू द प्रोजेक्ट कि आई रिमेंबर टेलिंग देम कि ओके इट्स लंच टाइम, आप जाओ लंच कर लो, फिर वी विल कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम हियर. एंड दे लाइक लंच बाद में कर लेंगे, पहले ये खत्म कर लेते हैं. जस्ट हियरिंग दैट ना, इट फील्स कि भाई अब मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है भाई, ये काम करना है अच्छे से, ये प्रोजेक्ट हमारे को अच्छे से कंप्लीट करना है, बिकॉज दे हैव गिवन सो मच ऑफ एफर्ट्स एंड टाइम इनटू दिस थिंग ना, कि वो प्रोजेक्ट अपना जैसा लगने लग जाता है कि हाँ भाई अब हम हमारा 110% देंगे.
I think this is a really good thing that you have mentioned, especially जो आखिरी में आपने बात बोली आर्ट बॉयज की. I had experienced kind of a similar thing as well. जब मैं एक मंथ की शूटिंग पर, बिफोर दैट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस था फिल्म का, भी कुछ फिल्म अच्छी नहीं लगी ना, बहुत क्रिटिसाइज करता था. बट आई वर्कड ओनली वन फिल्म. मैंने जब देखा कि एक फिल्म बनाने के पैसे प्रोड्यूसर लगा रहा है, पैसे आ रहे हैं, जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं ना वहाँ पर, कुछ लोग, जब हमारा तो एक शूटिंग था, आई थिंक सेशन था कोल्हापुर में, वहाँ के लोकल कुछ लोग आए थे, उनका तो कुछ बच्चों का तो पहला जॉब था सेट पे. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट ओनली, हम अगर जब बिना मतलब या फिर ऐसे ही क्रिटिसाइज कर देते ना, आजकल तो मेरा तब ऐसा हो गया था बहुत इमोशनल, आफ्टर यू वर्क फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन अ फिल्म सेट, इट हैपेंस टू यू कि आप इतना सब कुछ देखते हो कि बाद में कोई भी फिल्म ऐसी थोड़ी बहुत ऊपर नीचे वाली आई स्टोरी में, स्टिल थिंक यार क्रिटिसाइज करना चाहिए या नहीं, क्योंकि ना लोगों का पेट पलता है इसके ऊपर, जो बैकएंड में काम करते हैं.
मैंने जब इंडस्ट्री में काम करना चालू किया था ना, तो सो एज एन आर्टिस्ट यू डोंट हैव एनी वर्क आवर्स, है ना. कि यू हैव टू डिलीवर द वर्क, आपका काम खत्म है, देन ओनली योर जॉब आवर्स आर ओवर. तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम माय पेरेंट्स की रात के 10 बजे कि क्या कर रहा है, खाना खा लिया, सो रहा है क्या. And I'm like कि नहीं मम्मा, लैपटॉप पे हूँ, थोड़ा सा डिजाइन का काम बचा है, that I will complete and I'll sleep. And then I used to sleep by 2 o'clock, or sometimes I used to sleep by 4 a.m. And they were like very worried about me. और वो frustration आ जाता है ना when you are working day and night फॉर अ प्रोजेक्ट
Yes.
या फिर कुछ भी आप काम कर रहे हो, आफ्टर कपल ऑफ डेज यू आर लाइक आई एम फेड अप, आई एम डन, नहीं हो रहा मेरे से अब, आई नीड अ ब्रेक, आई नीड टू स्लीप 8 hours a day, मेरे को एक अच्छी नींद, एक स्लीप चाहिए ताकि देन आई विल कंटिन्यू अगेन. माय पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू से मी दिस थिंग कि क्या रखा है ऐसा इस काम में, छोड़ देना, घर आ जा, विल यू डू समथिंग एल्स, कुछ और कर लेना, यहाँ पे चालू कर लेना, विल पुट अ बिजनेस समथिंग और लाइक दिस. एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि नहीं मेरे को ये नहीं करना, मेरे को यही करना है. एंड दे वर लाइक कि क्या है ऐसा, क्या रखा है. मैंने बोला कि मैं अगर ये काम कंप्लीट नहीं करूंगा कि 400 लोग डिपेंडेंट बैठे हैं, वो 400 लोग भी मेरे काम की वजह
काम नहीं
तो
हुआ. Yeah, yeah.
वो
That is true.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है, वो चीज को लेकर हो जाता है कि यार अगर मैं आज डिजाइन कंप्लीट करूंगा, प्रिंट शॉप पे जाएगा, प्रिंट शॉप वाले वो सारे जो बॉयज हैं वहाँ पे वो सब कंप्लीट करेंगे प्रिंटिंग का काम, दे विल गेट एवरीथिंग रेडी एंड पुट ब्रिंग इट टू द सेट. फिर मेरे
Yeah.
जितने भी आर्ट बॉयज वगैरह हैं, दे विल कोऑर्डिनेट विद मी एंड देन दे विल पुट द एंटायर थिंग ऑन द सेट. सो
Absolutely.
अगर मैंने डिले किया तो आगे हर एक चीज डिले होगी. अगर वो सेटअप नहीं
Yeah,
लगा,
yeah, yeah.
the frames are not there, frames are empty on the wall, then
Yes.
the director will be like, what is this? Then he will
Yes, yes,
be not able to
absolutely.
shoot. So,
नहीं
yeah.
वो बात तो है ही. That's a good thing that you mentioned. और या आखिरी just wrapping up a little bit things on
Oh, it is
Dhurandhar.
coming to an end. I do not want
Yeah.
it to end. It was so good.
या या नहीं नहीं, मुझे एक आखिरी सवाल इस बारे में पूछना था कि द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप आदित्य धर, I have been his fan since I think Uri only. Before that I had heard briefly about, because I think he was assisting at that time Priyadarshan back then. I mean, he came
Yeah.
to assist Ram Gopal Verma, but he ended up with Priyadarshan, and so
Priyadarshan.
today Ram Gopal Verma was the one who was appreciating his films a lot actually, and that, I mean, I
Yeah,
think for him it's a dream come true. So what are your thoughts about the captain of the ship? I mean, like, as a person, whether you have worked with him very closely or whether you have worked with him very briefly, whatever it is, like, what are your thoughts on this? Because the kind of management you told me, in one day you were able to wrap up the whole shoot. So I think the captain of the ship was on his toes for past possibly 3-4 years,
he's
or
someone to
possibly
learn
more.
from. Like, Aditya sir, I will say the most humble guy, very precise. He knows what he wants to do. Like, he knows how to get there and he gets it done. Simple as that.
Amazing. I've heard the same about him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
वो जो मीम है ना, peak detailing में आदित्य धर.
Peak
It is
detailing as
actually
Aditya
true.
Yes, yes.
Because I remember,
That's
like,
true.
for every graphics, everything on the set, अगर जैसे मैं आपको अभी बताया था कि I need to know the backstory of the character to design anything. अगर उसके घर में मैं कुछ भी चीज कर रहा हूँ, whatever artwork I am putting, I need to know कि उसका क्या है. Because artworks depend on those things. आप सिंपल सी चीज, अगर एक हिंदू घर दिखा रहे हो तो उसमें किस तरह का एस्थेटिक रहेगा, उसमें क्या कलर पैलेट रहेगा. एक मुसलमान एक घर दिखा रहे हो, उसमें क्या घर का एस्थेटिक रहेगा, क्या कलर पैलेट रहेगा. इट्स एंटायरली डिफरेंट, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू डिफरेंशिएट. Okay, there's something different, there's something different. So for political rally, for anything, because we were so parallel with the events that were happening, that actually happened. So we needed the backstory, how it was and where it got there. Aitha sir used to sit and he used to make references कि ये चीज मेरे को ऐसा दिखाना है, ये चीज मेरे को ऐसा दिखाना है, and that used to get us कि मतलब वो हम तक पहुंचता था. फिर हम लोग उस पर वापस रिसर्च करते थे and we used to show him, and he used to sit and he used to give us rewards. Okay, this is something, this is working, this is not working, for each and
And
everything.
graphic design is just one department. There are
Yeah,
several
it's
other
just one
departments as
department.
well. Yeah.
आप सोचो कि कितना सारा एफर्ट्स लगता होगा.
Yes,
मैं
yes.
यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ कि I used to sleep by 4. I wonder if he used to sleep during those times.
Yeah, I
Even
think
he
he
and
mentioned in the first.
Ojas was there. Ojas
Yeah.
used to, like, at night 2 a.m. हम लोग मैसेज कर रहे हैं कि Ojas अप्रूवल चाहिए इस ग्राफिक पे, and he used to be there. हाँ हाँ, okay, go ahead.
Oh, just to let the audience know, Ojas is the brother-in-law of Aditya Dhar. I think he
Also
had
the DA
mentioned,
in the
yeah.
project.
Yes, yes, and I think he's the one who actually cut the trailer as well, both the first and the second, right?
Yeah. Also, he was the mastermind behind that wash my butt graphics over that shop.
Yeah.
It was his crazy idea, by the way.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
it went viral. I think it has become a meme
Yeah.
template now. Absolutely.
Every reel that used to come out, and if there was something detailed about the art design or something like that, we used to tag that person who was handling that thing. कि देख तेरे काम के बारे में आया, देख
Okay,
it was you. So Divya designed that banner. So I tagged her कि Divya देख तेरा ये आया, Divya Londe. So Divya Londe then spilled the tea that, oh, it was not me who designed that banner. It was Ojas who gave me the idea to design something like this. So yeah.
That's lovely. That's lovely. And
Yeah, Omkar. So this is it.
yes,
Anything else?
yeah, yeah. I have final two questions for you actually. Very
Oh, okay.
important actually. Lastly,
Yeah.
yeah. Final two questions. I mean, we left. I mean, we didn't speak about TVF shows basically. So working on
Oh,
shows
yes.
like Kota Factory and Cubicles, फ्रॉम योर पर्सपेक्टिव आपके हिसाब से देखा जाए तो सबसे टफ क्रिएटिव कॉम्प्रोमाइज क्या रहता है मतलब व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर विजन एंड द प्रोडक्शंस डिमांड आई थिंक आई शुड हैव आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन यू इन द बिगनिंग लेकिन मैं अभी पूछ रहा हूँ यू नो बिकॉज आई थिंक पीपल गॉट द कॉन्टेस्ट ऑफ व्हाट द हार्ड वर्क इज सो नाउ दे विल
No
क्रिटिसाइज
issue.
यू लेस
ये इंडस्ट्री में बोलते हैं ना, ये हम
या
पोस्ट में
यस
ये हम
यस
एडिट में
यस
संभाल.
एडिट में या
Yes. So
समथिंग
this
लाइक
is one of the things that, like, when I'm on the set and I need some, like, अगर मैं characters की photos में frames में को design कर, AI is something
दैट
which is very new. I started working in industry before that. So at that time I used to have this creative compromise कि I need photos of the characters and I used to not get those on time or something like that. And they used to say कि okay हम edit में संभाल लेंगे and something like that. It is not gonna be visible and all that.
या
So I used to feel bad कि oh I'm working so hard on some things and it's not gonna be in the frame. Then why am I working on those things? So this was something like
या
okay, I'm designing the whole, like if there's something which is kept on shelves over there, which is not gonna be
या
visible in the frame, and if I'm working on
या
this thing and somebody from some other department is like giving reverts back to back on those things ki nahi ye change karo, nahi ye change karo, nahi
यस
like let it go. So one
एब्सोल्युटली
was this,
एब्सोल्युटली
and another thing, working with TVF, uh, we have such huge stories. हमारा जो स्टोरी टेलिंग है वो बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत ग्रैंड स्केल, बट समवेयर इतने बड़े स्टोरी लाइन के लिए बजट बहुत कम रहता है. समटाइम्स बजट
या
अलॉटेड टू सच प्रोजेक्ट्स इज वेरी लो. सो डेफिनेटली वन व्हाट वी वांट टू डिलीवर, समटाइम्स बिकॉज ऑफ द बजट कंस्ट्रेंट्स वी आर नॉट एबल टू पुल इट ऑफ. So yeah, that is there somewhat which affects the overall designing aesthetics of the project, which brings the production value little lower.
Yeah,
So yeah.
and just to add on to this question, अगर ग्राफिक डिजाइन आई मीन दिस बिट ऑफ अ हाइपोथेटिकल क्वेश्चन अगर फिल्म और सीरीज से निकाल दे
My job is at risk.
what would no I'm just asking you that what would break first that most people would suddenly notice मतलब चल अगर कहीं कहीं होता है ना ऐसा कि अरे एक्टर्स की फी ज्यादा है तो ये कम करो वो कम करो आप सभी कम कर दे तो इट बिकम्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ मेस्ड अप प्रोडक्ट सो आई एम आस्किंग
Definitely.
फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव दैट अगर आप ये एक चीज निकाली दो पूरी तरह से फिल्म या सीरीज से तो पहली चीज क्या टूटेगी जो ऑडियंस नोटिस करेगी सबसे ज्यादा
Oh, this is something very interesting. All my brain cells are working right now. So, yeah, so first thing is कि यार देखो ग्राफिक्स ना, ये चीज हमारे को समझने की जरूरत है कि ग्राफिक्स का रिक्वायरमेंट है कहाँ. देयर आर मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स वेयर ग्राफिक डिजाइनर इज नॉट सो एसेंशियल, बट देयर आर सम प्रोजेक्ट्स जहाँ पे ग्राफिक डिजाइनर प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं हॉस्टल डेज की एक बात करूँ, देयर वाज दिस वन सिंगल सीन जिसके अंदर देयर वाज द विजन ऑफ द डायरेक्टर कि वो ड्रीम सीक्वेंस में है एंड ही सीज अ रूम व्हिच इज एंटायरली फिल्ड विद रेज्यूमे, यू नो. तो
ओके
overnight I printed over 700-800 resumes on my small printer and I got that pasted, like the entire room was filled with resume and everything. Now just
ओ
imagine if that is
ओके
not done, then that vision will never be, like, fulfilled. Like entire thing,
ट्रू
the table, the lamp, the chair, it was covered with resume. So
सो यू
yeah,
डिड इट फिजिकली
yeah,
प्रिंटेड
physically I printed all the resumes of
Oh
all the
my
characters,
goodness. That's
and
some
then
next
yeah.
level thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
so yeah, definitely. So जिस प्रोजेक्ट में ग्राफिक्स का रिक्वायरमेंट है, जहाँ
Yeah.
डिटेलिंग की जरूरत है, वहां पे अगर आप वो चीज ब्रेक कर दोगे, इफ इट इज नॉट देयर, द ऑडियंस विल नेवर बी एबल टू कनेक्ट विथ योर विजन. आप वो चीज सक्सेसफुली इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पाओगे जस्ट बाय इंडिकेटिंग इट. समटाइम्स इट्स देयर ना कि फिल द वर्ड्स इन द मिसिंग लाइंस, वो चीज वैसा रह जाता है कि यार ये गायब रह गया,
Absolutely.
ये चीज कैच नहीं हुआ. जैसे फ्रेम्स वगैरह की डिटेलिंग की मैंने बात करी, तो स्टोरी लाइन नहीं है, फिर कैरेक्टर का कोई वो बैकग्राउंड, वो नहीं, यार ये कहाँ से आया है, कौन है ये, हाउ विल आई रिलेट
Absolutely.
टू
Yeah, yeah.
Omkar until unless I don't know Omkar. And these
That is
small
true.
detailings, like what type of brands he used in his cover, in his daily wear and everything. What type of luxury is he living? Gucci का, Prada किधर, ये सब
Yeah,
चीजें
yeah, yeah.
बनाती है उसको वो चीज है कि okay, this is
Yes,
luxury,
yes.
this is something okay like this.
True, true.
So
Absolutely,
yeah.
absolutely. और I think we are at the end of the episode. तो ये आखिरी सवाल जो है, it is not related to the film that you have worked on or a series or any kind of production. But ये सवाल है बच्चों के लिए जो अभी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं या फिर जो नई जनरेशन अभी आके आ रही है, यू नो समवन हु इज करंटली इन द विलेज, एक छोटे से गांव में कोई बैठ के हमारा ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहा है, यूट्यूब पे देख रहा है या फिर कोई ऑडियो सुन रहा है, कहीं पर भी हमारे वेबसाइट पे तो फ्रीली अवेलेबल है। स्पॉटिफाई वगैरह पे तो आपको स्पॉटिफाई को पे करना पड़ता है, बट ऑन आवर वेबसाइट द पॉडकास्ट इज अवेलेबल इवन कम्प्लीटली फॉर फ्री। So if someone is watching like this, for you know, just like you once were possibly, you know, watching TVF shows, और आपने जो भी काम किया, like for example धुरंधर, I think the best sale of your skill set is something where you do not sell and things comes to you. I think Dhurandhar was possible an evidence for you that your work speaks for itself completely. I think that was a physical evidence of it. So from that perspective, what is the suggestion जो आप देना चाहोगे फ्यूचर जनरेशन को जो इस राह पे चलना चाहते हैं, who are possibly a graphic designer already but do not know basically what to do and how to do? So yeah, on to you.
See, Omkar, see, for things happened for me. There were many people who helped me with this thing, and I hope that this video, this format, this podcast helped those people, है ना, who are looking from a very small town, from somewhere very remote in India. और यार देखो, वो अकेलापन जो चीज़ है ना, वो सबको फील हो रहा होगा अभी, मतलब it becomes very hard to get such exposure. For me, it was very difficult to get out of those lanes, from that village to a city like Mumbai. And the only thing that helped me was being consistent, working on my skills. आप ना 1000 चीजें हो रही है आपके आसपास, आप सब चीजें कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हो। आप एनवायरनमेंट को कर सकते हो,
बराबर है।
कौन आपको सिलेक्ट कर रहा है, आप कौन सी कंपनी में जॉब करने वाले हो, यू नॉट बी देयर, आप वो चीजें कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते। बट आप एक चीज कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, आपकी खुद की मेहनत। कंसिस्टेंट
agree with
रहो,
you.
अपना काम करो, अपने स्किल्स पे वर्क करो और उसको बाहर दिख। until unless you won't show, until unless you will not send it out, people won't know what you are capable of. आज के टाइम पे धुरंधर जैसा प्रोजेक्ट कर रखा हूँ, और अगर मैं ये चीज ना बताऊं किसी को, मेरा नाम ना आए प्रोजेक्ट के एंड में क्रेडिट लिस्ट में, देन देयर इज नो एक्सपोजर फॉर मी। यू नो, हम लोग मूवी देखो, लास्ट में द एंटायर थिएटर गेट्स एम्प्टी and there are some crazy people like me who just sit and see the credit कि यार वो नाम ना 10 सेकंड के लिए, लेकिन हम देख लेंगे एक बार, यार नाम आया, पूरा मेहनत किया है, 10 सेकंड के लिए नाम आएगा बस।
Yes, yes.
फॉलो कर। मैं वो yeah, very true, very true.
That
I
is true, that
applied
is
to
true. I
like
agree
60
with you.
70 companies before applying for MBA for CAT. I applied to those many companies and I was like कहीं जॉब मिल जाए, कहीं कुछ भी कर लूं, and then I'm very happy today कि अच्छा हुआ मैं वहां पे लैंड नहीं हुआ। Otherwise I would have been very like, you know, stiff, तो कुछ और कर रहा होता, मैं कहीं बैठा होता कॉर्पोरेट जॉब में कुछ 9 to 5 something. But I'm very happy whatever I'm doing,
Yes.
and I get the recognition, I get that financial independence and everything. So strive for that. And another thing also I would like to say with this thing, that don't be stuck to one thing. नहीं हो रहा है, change करो, change your strategy, do something else, give your best, but if it is not working, don't be stuck on that thing. Because I remember मैं ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग से पहले मर्चेंट नेवी करना चाहता था। आई वांटेड टू बी अ राइटर, आई वांटेड टू बी अ डायरेक्टर, देयर वर सो मेनी थिंग्स। आपके पास टाइम है, एक्सप्लोर करो, चीज़ें पहचानो, एंड देन समडे यू विल गेट योर ट्रू कॉलिंग कि ओके, दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू वांट टू डू, दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू आर गुड एट, दिस इज समथिंग दैट द वर्ल्ड नीड्स ना।
Absolutely.
सो जस्ट
Understanding
फॉलो
supply
दैट।
demand is also
Yeah, supply
a good
demand
way
एक ही
to
का
do
है।
it.
just
एक ही,
go
yeah,
through
yeah.
that, read self help books, है ना, resume
Yes,
portfolio कैसे बनाते हैं, YouTube पे इतने tutorials है, go through that, and how
yes.
to apply, where to apply, you have the entire credit list, IMDb is full of names, so yeah, it's
Absolutely.
just matter of time.
Definitely, definitely. I think these are the really good suggestions. I hope all the people who are watching possibly, जो नई जनरेशन है जो देख रही है, they get a good amount of basically knowledge out of this.
Yeah, if I can
So
help, I have this WhatsApp group of designers who wants to work in industry. So I have mentioned the link to the WhatsApp group on my Instagram bio. So people can go over there and they can check out. And if they want to join that group, they are most welcome. Industry needs more graphic designers. This is still a booming industry right now, graphics in
yes,
industry. So yeah, people should apply more, and definitely more production designers should hire graphic designers and look more detailed. लाइक धुरंधर ने अब बेंचमार्क सेट कर दिया भाई लोग, है ना।
yes.
अब एरा बदल गया है, अब इंडियन ऑडियंस इज नॉट रेडी, इज नॉट लाइक ओके हाँ चलेगा, नहीं, उनको चाहिए डिटेलिंग। उनको वो
They're
चीज
not ready
प्रोवाइड
for
करोगे,
average scoping now.
Yeah,
Yes.
they're ready for shit to like explode.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah.
absolutely, absolutely. No, I'll add the WhatsApp group link below the episode description as well, so that anyone who is basically looking at and would like to basically join can join the group directly from there as well. And I'll add Dhruv's Instagram handle as well. So if you'd like to check out his work, the kind of updates that he adds on his profile, or you'd like to even have a word with him later on in the future, maybe regarding career guidance or something in this sector, or would like to collaborate for a project as well, definitely, I think I'll add your details and you can connect with him. So thank you very much, Dhruv, for your time.
Thank you, Omkar.
बहुत अच्छा
Thank you
लगा
so
आपसे
much.
बात करके. I hope we make few more episodes like this. I would
Definitely.
even love to, make some episodes with the people that you have worked with. I think the kind of coordination you told me on such a big site in Bangkok, it's unbelievable. I mean, even
Definitely.
people with the budget of 800 crores sometimes cannot pull off that kind of coordination. But I think this was the
Yes.
hard work of the all of them and the coordination of the captain of the ship, Mr. Aditya Dhar as well. Perfect then.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Omkar. Thank you
thank
so
you.
much for such a great opportunity. Thank you.
Absolutely.